Hello again, dear students. Welcome back to EasEnglish, your English learning program. As usual, this is Rodrigo Lasso Campo, your English teacher. This time we are going to be working on the second part number 2 in lesson 200. And as you may guess, I'm going to be helping you do the activities in the lesson. Let's come straight to the point. Well, there are 2 activities in this lesson, and as it seems to be obvious, we are going to start with the one that appears the first. This is the first activity. It consists in either writing sentences or drawing or pasting pictures in order in each of these small pieces of this circle to describe how the storm developed. You can use the book in order to remember the order of the events. Besides that, I'm going to present you the pictures that describe the events in the lesson. But in addition, we are going to use words or sentences to describe how the storm develops according to the author of this lesson. Here are the pictures showing the sequence of events in which a storm develops according to this lesson. The letter E stands for event. So this picture describes events 1 and 2. After the sun shines, dark clouds begin to gather, and they get darker and darker. Event 3 describes the fact that strong winds begin to blow. And this picture shows that the sky gets darker. Event 5 consists in the clouds moving over the house. The picture here describes the lightning flashing all around. And in this picture that represents event 7, thunder crashes loudly. This one describes event 8, in which the rain begins to fall. Here is the picture describing event 9. The wind blows wildly. This is a picture describing events 10 and 11. The rain stops falling and the winds stop blowing. And the last picture shows event 12. Just like in the beginning, the sun comes out and shines. Well, we used pictures to describe the events in the sequence. This time we are going to use only words. Here are the words to describe the sequence of events that happen in the development of a storm as written in lesson 200. First, the sun shines, and suddenly clouds begin to gather and get darker and darker. Third, strong winds begin to blow. Then the sky gets darker. Next, clouds move over the house. After that, lightning flashes all around. Then, thunder crashes loudly. Next, the rain begins to fall. Afterwards, the wind blows wildly. Last, the rain stops falling and the wind stops blowing. Then, the sun comes out and shines again. This is the second and last activity in lesson 200. In this box, there are some blends. Blends, B-L-E-N-D-S. B-L, C-L, F-L, G-L, P-L, and S-L. These are blends. And below are 6 pictures. We are going to name each of the pictures, and below the pictures on these lines provided, you and I are going to write the blend with which each word begins. Let's name the pictures. This is a block. This is a flag. This is a slice of bread. This is a clock. This is a glove. And this is a plane. Then, let's write the blends below the pictures. Here are the names and the blends. This is a block. BL is the blend this word begins with. This is a flag. FL is the blend flag begins with. This is a slice of bread. Slice begins with SL. This is a clock. Clock begins with CL. This is a glove. Glove begins with GL. And this is a plane. Plane begins with PL. Well, dear students, I guess the activities to lesson 200 are now finished. It's been really nice for me to work with you one more time. And hopefully we'll see you again in the next lesson. Goodbye now.